fused in together with the black on the receptacle that the ignition plugs into here. There's the brown coming out of the ignition and going into this funky looking thing, going into its brown wire there. And then we have this, the two white wire plug that goes down into my existing ignition here. And this is the spare that came with the car. And it's just got the 4 wires here with no 2 white wires plugged separately like the existing ignition here. And it's not a terrible hack job, but yeah, it's not ideal. So thanks for taking a look at this. Any help is really appreciated. Thanks a lot.